Picture this. You have a brilliant business idea and you're ready to turn it into a reality with software application. Where do you start? The software development process can be complex and overwhelming. From planning to maintenance, there are numerous challenges that can arise along the way. That's where companies like Softtech come in. By partnering with experts in the field, you can gain access to a wealth of knowledge and experience that can transform your software development journey into an absolute success. Here are just a few key reasons why partnering with Softtech is the easiest way for you to navigate this software development lifecycle. Softtech's experience and expertise are a wealth of knowledge. At Softtech, we bring a team of skilled professionals who have extensive expertise in various technologies and industry domains. Our experience in handling diverse projects equips them with the knowledge to tackle challenges efficiently, ensuring a smooth development process. Now, when we get to time and the cost efficiency, developing software in-house, well, that can be a time-consuming and expensive process. By partnering with a custom development software company like Softtech, you can save valuable time and resources. Our streamlined, agile processes optimize workflows, specialized tools allow for faster development life cycles, and most importantly to you, the customer, a cost-effective solution. We also have world-class collaboration and communication. Effective collaboration is vital for a successful software development project. At Softtech, we foster close collaboration between your team and your stakeholders. We prioritize communication, ensuring that your vision, your requirements are understood and that the feedback is incorporated at every stage of the development process. At Softtech, a custom software development company, our dedicated testing teams work rigorously to identify and resolve any issues or bugs. Through comprehensive testing methodologies and robust quality control measures, we deliver reliable and high-performing software solutions. Ongoing support and maintenance. The journey doesn't end with the launch of your software. At Softtech, we provide post-launch support and maintenance services that address any technical issues, release updates, and we also ensure smooth functionality of your software, allowing you to focus on your core business activities, not running the back end. That's our side, Softtech. Partnering with a custom software development company like Softtech can be the best advice you receive for a successful software development lifecycle. Our expertise, efficiency, and collaboration, quality assurance, and ongoing support can make the difference in turning your ideas into a reality. So whether you're a startup or an established business, consider the benefits of collaborating with a custom software development company like Softtech. It's an investment that pays off in the long run, enabling you to achieve your software development goals effectively and most of all, efficiently. Ready to unlock the full potential of your software development projects? Well, contact Softtech, your premium custom software development partner. Our team of experts are ready to guide you through the entire software development lifecycle, from planning to maintenance. Remember, success starts with the right partner. Choose Softtech for your custom software development needs. Contact us today and let us embark on an exceptional software development journey together. I'm Mike with Softtech. Contact us.